So I get asked this question a lot. Hey, how do you make those videos that you could put yourself in one of the corners so your students could see you while you're explaining something? Like obviously you could open up Zoom and actually record. You could do a screen recording of the Zoom. That works. But inside our school, we have, if you go to Office, have this great thing called Clipchamp. So inside of Office, again, you're going to have to log in with your credentials. Click on your app. Click on Clipchamp for one of the apps, obviously, on here, and you'll see one thing that says Screen Recording. So you open up Screen Recording. It's going to say, do you want a camera on? Yes, I want my camera on. You could reposition this window however you want. You could adjust it. There's different shapes, whatever you want to do with that. So I kind of like the one that's kind of like transparent. Again, it doesn't matter to me how you do it. The circle looks okay. It doesn't matter. I'm just going to leave that one on here. When I press Start Screen Recording, it's going to ask you, what do you want to record? Like what window usually? Do you want a Chrome tab? Do you want a window, or do you entire screen? You have to decide that. I'm just going to do the Chrome tab that I have open. Again, it's just a slideshow. So on here, again, you won't see yourself while you're speaking because you need to see your notes and whatnot. So when you put this in, this mode here to present and go through these different slides, like you'll be able to keep speaking. And when you're done, obviously on Clipchamp, you'll see it says new recording right here. If I just press that to stop it, it's going to stop.
Again, you won't see yourself while you're speaking.
This is kind of what it looks like.
You need to see your notes and whatnot. So when you put this in,
it's very easy to trim it. So you see this trim thing that comes out, like you can just slide this over. It's a pretty neat software. Obviously, you got to play around with it like any software. If I confirm trim, it has some other things here. You could add music. You could open it in an editor. Like there's definitely some things you could do above it. But I just wanted to show you the basics, like how you would see yourself in the video.